Welcome to this program. Question number 20. The wave function of the bonding molecular orbital of diatomic molecule AB, assuming that the electron on average spent 90% of its time on nucleus A and 10% of its time on nucleus B. The wave functions are given. From that we are going to calculate the correct wave function. Generally, the molecular wave function can be written as the linear combination of atomic orbital. Psi MO will be equal to Ca psi A plus Cb psi B, and from that we have to calculate Ca square will be equal to 90% and Ca equal to plus or minus root of 0.9, which will be equal to plus or minus 0.95. Similarly, Cb square will be equal to 10% and Cb will be equal to plus or minus root of 0.1, which will be equal to plus or minus of 0.32. Therefore, we have calculated the value of Ca and Cb and substituted in the above equation. We get psi MO will be equal to 0.95 psi A plus 0.32 psi B. Therefore, the correct option is D. Question number 21. Match the list with the list 2 and choose the correct answer. And list 1, the molecules are given, and the list 2, the type of hybridization and the geometries are given. For the molecule SnCl2, the structure is sp2 V-shaped, and for the molecule BF3, the hybridization is sp3D trigonal bipyramidal, and for the molecule ClF3, the hybridization is sp3D1 T-shaped structure. For ClF5, the hybridization is sp3D2 square pyramidal, and for IF7, sp3D3 pentagonal bipyramidal structure. For ICl2 minus, the hybridization is sp3D linear. Therefore, the correct option for this question D. 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the correct option. For question number 22, choose the incorrect match from the following. Ionic crystal and the lattice energies are given in terms of kilojoule per mole. For sodium chloride, minus 778 kilojoule per mole. For calcium fluoride, minus 2581. For magnesium oxide, minus 3932. And for ZnO, minus 2882. And this is incorrect match. It is a bivalent molecule. Therefore, the value should be greater than the MgO. In generally, the lattice energy of the molecule depends upon the charge of the cation and the charge of the anion. For bivalent ionic crystal, the lattice energy is greater than univalent crystal, which is greater than univalent crystal. Therefore, the incorrect match is D, and for this question the correct answer is D. For zinc chloride, zinc oxide, the lattice energy is minus 4032 kilojoule power minus 1. 23. Which of the following ionic crystal has high Maudlin constant value? Here, sodium chloride, rutile, fluoride and cadmium iodide. The correct answer is C. For fluoride, the Maudlin constant value is 5.0388, and for sodium chloride 1.7475, for rutile 4.810 and cadmium iodide 4.70. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is C, fluorides. 24. The potential energy due to attraction and repulsions are. Here, the potential energy due to attraction minus Z1 Z2 E square by R power n, and due to repulsion B E square by R power n. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Question number 25. Choose the incorrect statement from the following regarding Stokes and Frenkel defect. A. The Frenkel defect tends to increase the dielectric constant of the crystal. It is correct. B. The presence of holes lower the density of the crystal. It is also correct. C. The presence of holes lower the lattice energy or the stability of the crystal. It is also correct. D. Due to the presence of two effect in the crystal is able to conduct electricity to a large extent by an free radical mechanism, and this is wrong. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is D. And D is the correct wrong statement, or you can say incorrect statement for the question number D. For this incorrect statement, the correct statement is due to the presence of two defect in the crystal is able to conduct electricity to a large extent by ionic mechanism. This is the correct statement for the question number 25D. Question number 26. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding superconductor. The lower temperature superconductors are having the critical temperature is below 77 Kelvin. Example: lead, mercury, titanium and vanadium. 2. The higher temperature superconductors are having the critical temperature above 77 Kelvin. Example: YbCO and BsCCO. 3. The superconductor shows Bessemer effect when it is cooled below the critical temperature. 4. Organic superconductors are fluorines and carbon nanotubes, and PCCO is a cuprate superconductor based on bismuth and strontium. 5. At very low temperature, some metals acquire zero electrical resistance and zero magnetic induction. The properties is known as superconductivity. Example: aluminium, zinc, cadmium, mercury and lead. The superconducting material obeys Ohm's law. Here, all the above 5 statements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are correct. Therefore, the correct option for this question is C. And for the wrong statement, the correct statement is the superconducting material do not obey Ohm's law. This is the correct statement for the 6th question. Choose the wrong statement from the following. An electrical insulator is a material in which the electron does not flow freely and they have high resistivity. B. The metals such as glass, paper and Teflon have high resistivity and are very good insulator. C. The most of the insulator have a large bond gap which separate the bond from the next bond above it. D. The rubber-like polymer and plastic such as thermoset or thermoplast in nature are not insulated. And the statement D is the wrong statement for the 27th question. Therefore, the correct answer is D. For the incorrect statement, the correct statement is the rubber-like polymer and plastic such as thermoset, thermoplast in nature and are insulated. 28. Which of the following are pH independent redox indicator? Here, all the indicators are redox indicator which are pH independent. Therefore, the option D is the correct answer. For 29, which of the following are pH dependent redox indicator? Here also, all the indicator methylene blue, neutral lead, indigo aramine, safranin T, sodium orthocresol indophenol and thionine, all indicators are redox indicator which depends upon pH. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is D. Thirtieth question. Which of the following electrode has high standard electropotential according to electrochemical series? And here the data are given for F2 2F minus plus 2.87 volt, chromium 3 plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 1.33 volt, Fe 2 plus and Fe have minus 0.44, lithium plus lithium equal to minus 3.04. Therefore, the correct answer is A. F2 2F minus is the correct answer for the question 30, option A.